If you want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, we've got the perfect weekend getaway for you. Join our Biennale tour and discover Biennale National Park, a peaceful paradise for all the family. The tour includes transport from Nur Sultan to the national park on Friday afternoon. It's a long coach ride, but we'll stop to stretch our legs at Botakara, a picturesque lake, and have some dinner in the nearby village. We'll arrive at Biennale in the evening, where your comfortable beds will be waiting for you. On Saturday morning, you'll have a delicious breakfast and drink tea from a traditional samovar. Eat up because you'll need your energy for the hike up Akbed Mountain. The view from the top is well worth the climb though, so don't forget your camera. We'll descend the mountain by another route and have a picnic lunch on the shores of Toregir Lake, where your guide will tell you some of the legends surrounding Biennale. Then it's on to Jashibe Lake through the beautiful forest. Keep your eyes open for the park's famous deer in the trees. We'll have dinner as the sun sets over the lake and you'll sleep soundly in the guest house. Wake early on Sunday morning for a refreshing swim in the crystal clear waters of Jashibe Lake. Afterwards, join us for a trip to Holy Cave, which legend says can grant wishes, and some birdwatching. Return to Nur Sultan in the afternoon, feeling rested and relaxed. For more information, visit biennaletour.kz.com.